I have no relationship with Glock, but I still recommend them as the go-to gun because it was the first plastic gun that ever came out and everybody's still trying to beat it. But Glock, good gun out of the gate. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, just get the one we call the Terminalist package. It's super basic. Like a Glock stock out of the box is not ready to go. Like the sights are plastic, white trash that just, you can't hit nothing with them, but it's a great base to start with. You don't got to go all wicked out on it at first. You can just get the basic package, some good fiber optic sights, grip job on it. And then I recommend putting on like a TLR8 flashlight laser on the bottom. They don't like extend out the front of the gun. It doesn't add any like girth to the gun. And if you're really like not into learning how to practice or shoot, you just press the button. The flashlight laser does all the work for you. Just make sure it's zeroed. And the gun just does what you need.